getting the back glass ready for tinting. It'll be 5%, so it'll be pretty dark since my bed is going to be right here. And what I'm doing, I'm using a razor blade and making sure anything that's stuck to it is gone. I've washed it a couple times and I can hear every time I go over something that's stuck. So I'm trying to get it all off so it won't have any little bubbles. I know you can't hear it, but I'm picking up a lot of stuff. Alright, that should do it. Now I'll wash it with a lint-free rag, cut my piece to size, and start putting it on. Okay, back window is done. Got a couple little gaps here and there I can fix. I still gotta wait till the edges evaporate so I can seal them down and see if you can see any difference. This is a same sun, same thing, back window to side window. It's supposed to be 5% limo tint, so we'll see after I get all the other ones made up how dark it gets in here. So on to the next ones. I've got 7 more plus the door. And who's keeping an eye on me? Aren't you, HD? Well, he's keeping an eye on me. So little by little, getting done. This is what a clean window sounds like. Here's what a dirty window sounds like. It's significantly darker in here since I tinted the windows. What I'm doing now is I'm going to take this window and replace it with the pop-out window there, and the same over here. That way these 3 windows on the back will open. It's just a matter of getting screws out. I already taped the window so it couldn't fall out, hopefully. We'll see. Definitely don't want to push the window out without somebody supporting it. But since I have no help, I get to do it myself. So you have to figure ways to do this by yourself. Again, I've taped up out there. And this ring is coming off. It's stuck to this foam, but I want to leave that foam. So I'm just working around slowly. And there's the ring. So the ring is out. Now I'll take out the window part. Hopefully it's not too heavy. I'll do the same thing for the emergency window, and we'll take it from here and put it over here. Yeah, here goes nothing. This one's going to be a little heavier than the other one. All right, it's broke loose. That's all there is to it. And now for the reverse procedure. I've got new screws to put in, because the old ones were just surface rust and they were the square heads, which are probably used in all of them, but I'm going to just the Phillips. And they're I don't know if you can see them or not, but they're number 8s and they're 1 inch long. And here's the finished window. I'm going to make some brackets for it, but one side is done. Wash and repeat. Got to do the other side now.